this is Ratnab Singh. I'm from Bhagalpur, Bihar. I joined Jspiders at September, and it's been 4 months here. And in these 4 months, I got to learn a lot, and I also got placed at. I come from KIT University, from where I graduated with a BTech degree in computer science. Here, my faculty were Kishore sir, Sangvi ma'am, and Saurav sir. All of them are great teachers. They have great patience. They are motivating and inspiring in all the way you can think. The faculty and staff are very supporting. They help me a lot in gaining confidence, and whatever the things are taught here are everything is started from scratch, and then it is taken to advanced level with all of the examples and projects and whatever is required to complete the course. I joined here as a month stack student, and I'm well satisfied with what I have right now.